Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. I first want to say thank you so much for all of your support on my channel and also for enjoying and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. So as you can see, today's video I will be doing a collection video of all of my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather colored bags in the beautiful rich chocolate color of brown Tmoro. So if you saw my latest video, you know that I finished off my brown Tmoro kick with my Dooney Bourke Clayton Satchel in the color brown Tmoro. So I also want to give you a quick comparison between these bags just to show you the different features of each, just in case you are trying to decide if you want to add one or all of these bags to your collection. So if you are interested in seeing my beautiful chocolate factory that I have so fallen in love with, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start off with my first accessory piece in this beautiful color. This is my Dooney Bourke large cosmetics case in obviously the color brown Tmoro. And this was the first piece before I really knew that I loved this color that I added to my collection. This has been a go-to piece for me lately. And if you have seen prior videos of mine, you know that I just use this as a free-for-all. I have right now everything in here from my work badge to my checkbook to my credit card to business cards. So right now it is just used as a free-for-all. So this is the very first piece in the brown Tmoro that I added to my collection. So the next bag in my collection is the Tab Flap Satchel. Absolutely beautiful silhouette. I purchased this bag pre-loved. She was new with tags, and this was a style that I was not sure about. First of all, because it only has one handle on the top. So I was a little bit skeptical, but I wanted to add a Tmoro brown bag in my collection so desperately until I just took a chance on this one, and I absolutely love it. The closure on this one is a tab flap system. That's why it's called the tab flap. So it's just a nice, easy system, closure system with lots of security. And again, I purchased her pre-loved. She was a little bit dry, and I just spruced her up with my Big 4 and Apple brand leather conditioner, and she turned out beautifully. She has a small spot on the back that you can barely see. It looks worse on the camera, but it's just a little dark spot. This bag has a beautiful, nice zipper on the back where you can put your cell phone or, keys or passports or whatever you'd like. And I think this bag is perfect for a business meeting, or if you are going on an interview or something like that. Absolutely classy and business-like bag. So again, this is the Tab Flap Satchel in the color brown Tmoro. Okay, so the next bag in my Tmoro collection is this Smith bag, which is absolutely beautiful. I purchased her pre-loved as well, but she was new with tags and absolutely beautiful. The Smith bag is one of my favorite shoulder bags, so I was so excited to be able to add her to my collection. She has a very nice size pocket on the back. She also has a pocket on the front with the magnetic closure. And what I love about this bag as well is the red zipper and also the red trim. which is absolutely beautiful against this deep, dark, rich color. So again, this is the Smith bag in the color Brown Tmoro. Okay, so one of my favorites, and this is the zip flap fold over. Absolutely love this one. I was so excited to be able to add this one to my collection because, as you guys know, I am not a crossbody long shoulder bag girl at all, but this is absolutely one of my favorites. So this bag is called the flap fold over because it has this flap here, and this opening goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So you have lots of security because there is no closure snap or magnetic closure for this bag. So if you want to keep your items secure or need to keep your items secure, you can put them in this huge pocket. You can zip it up and your items will be secure. And you also have two magnetic pockets here on the front, so you have lots of organization. And these are some pockets that I will put my cell phone in because I don't have to worry about any bulges or any phone prints because this pocket system is gusseted, so I don't have to worry about that. And this beauty also has a zipper pocket on the back. Absolutely beautiful. And I do not put my cell phone in this pocket either, but I do use it for receipts and stuff like that. So very nice and handy. So again, this is one of my favorites, and this is the zip flap fold over. Okay, so this one is one of my favorites. I know I said the last one was one of my favorites, but this medium satchel is my absolute favorite. And again, as you can see, she has the red zipper, she has the beautiful gold stitching, and also the beautiful red trim. Absolutely love it. And if you are familiar with this style satchel, there are no pockets on the back. It does have the adjustable strap, just like the other bags that I showed previously. Absolutely beautiful. So again, this is my favorite, and this is the medium Florentine leather satchel. Okay, so did I say the last bag was my favorite? Well, this is my favorite as well. And this is the domed buckle satchel, and this again is a gorgeous bag. It is a bag, a style that I stayed away from for many, many years. And I purchased one that was pre-loved. I didn't pay very much for it. It wasn't in very good condition, but I took a chance on it just to get a feel of the style, and I fell in love. So this bag, as you can see, it also has that beautiful gold stitching. It has the red trim, and it also has that beautiful red zipper. This bag has a pocket on the back as well. Very nice size pocket that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag, where you can put your cell phone or receipts or passports or anything that you need. Absolutely beautiful. So again, this is the domed buckle satchel. Okay, this is my favorite. This is the Clayton Satchel. And you guys know that I am head over heels for a beautiful Clayton Satchel, and this satchel fits the bill. So this is the bag that has completed my Brown Tmoro kick. And again, this is the Clayton Satchel. And what makes this bag different from the others is, as you can see, this bag does not have the red zipper. It has a brown zipper, which is still absolutely beautiful. And it also gives me a little bit of a change when I want to carry a Tmoro bag, because this one, it's not as in your face as the others that has the red zipper or the red trim. But this is still equally as gorgeous. And we all know that the Clayton Satchel has 4 pockets. It has 2 pockets on the front. It has the 2 magnetic pockets here on the front as well. And it also has a very nice size zipper pocket on the back. So absolutely love the Clayton Satchel. I actually carried her the other day, and I really enjoyed carrying her. So this is the last of my chocolate factory collection, and this is the Clayton Satchel. Okay guys, I wanted to come very quickly and share with you how the color differs from each of these bags when you have them side by side. You can definitely see that there is a color difference. Some are deeper, some are richer, some are darker. And I know Dooney Bourke says that the only colors that patina are maybe the chestnut and the natural, but I have come to learn that all of these colors patina, because as you can see, they all are brown Tmoro, but they all differ. So I am going to say that the Clayton here is probably the deepest of all the bags. And then I would say it is a toss-up between the tab flap and the Smith bag. And if you see the satchel and the domed buckle right here, you can see that those shades of brown Tmoro are a lot different from the others. Still very beautiful rich colors, but I just wanted to come and give you a quick bird's eye comparison view of how each of these bags can differ even though they are the same exact color. So anyway guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video of my chocolate factory collection in the color brown Tmoro, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.